Hello, we are going to start today new paper, paper 1, non-calculator, Cambridge IGCSE paper 05012, May June 2025, 1 hour 30 minutes paper, 80 marks paper, and we are not supposed to use calculator for this. So let's begin. Let's mention over here calculators must not be used. Okay, let's see. First question. Write the number 16,062 in figures. So how many thousands are given over here? 16,000 and 62. So there are no hundreds. This can be the answer. Next question. Write 3 quarters as a decimal and a percentage. So actually 3 quarter is what? 3 quarter is out of 4 quarters when we are considering 1, 2, 3, this 3 quarters. So it can be written as 3 out of 4. So they ask you to write down as a decimal. This is a fraction form. So let us divide 3 by 4. So 4 times this is 0. This will become 30. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fives are 20. So this is 0.75 will be the answer. Now in B part it is asked to find out the percentage. So 0.75 and percentage when you are finding. So 0.75 into 100, that is 75%. 75%. Now next question, we have to write down the value of root of 36. So root of 36 can be written as 6. 10 cube. 10 cube means it is 10 into 10 into 10. It is 10 multiplied with 10 multiplied with 10. That means 1 with 3 zeros. So we can say 1000. Next question, question number 4. The diagram shows a line AB and a point P. So measure the length of line AB in millimeters. So when we use here scale to measure the length, we have to measure exactly what can be the length and note it down. So whatever is the millimeter. So in paper it's actually 8.3 centimeter, this entire length. So we will write it as in millimeter. Actually in centimeter it is 8.3 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, we know that 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So this will become 83 millimeter. We have to keep scale from A and measure this length. Now there is one more B part given. Draw a line through point P that is perpendicular to line AB. So to do that, what do? We have to use here compass and pencil, and what we will do, we will take a distance of, so either it can be done either you take a compass and then we have to find out the line which is passing through this point P, perpendicular line. So in that we can take whatever, how much is PB distance, take the same distance over here. Okay, let's say we will mark here some more points C, then take more than half of this BP distance, put a pointer over here on the compass, and take more than half, and then from B put one arc over here, then from C put one arc over here, and then draw a line which is passing through P and perpendicular. That can be done. So this is done. Just we need equidistance point over here. How much is PB? Take equidistance point PC on the same line, and then in compass take more than half, put arcs, and then draw this line. This is how can be solved for 1 mark. Okay, question number 5 here. Complete this statement. 10 week has how many days? A week has a 7 days, so 10 week will have 70 days. Okay, then there is this grid given over here. We have to shed 2 out of 5, so it's pretty easy. There you can just consider the lines here, 1 line, second, third, fourth, fifth. So out of 5, 2 lines we have to shade. So properly these 2 lines you can shade by using pencil over here. Okay, and that will be the answer. So total you have to shade here 14 boxes. Next, find the value of 1/3, reciprocal of 1/3. Reciprocal is what? If a number is given A, then its reciprocal is 1 by A. That means it is actually A by 1. The reciprocal will be 1 by A. Similarly, if 3 by 8 is given, reciprocal will be 8 by 3. So 1 by 3 reciprocal will be 3 by 1. That is nothing but just 3. Write down this as a fraction. 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 is actually 1 upon 2 to the power plus 3, which is nothing but what is 2 to the power 3? 2 times 2 times 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 8 will be the answer. Question number 8 is given here. Put one pair of bracket into the each calculation to make it correct. So negative 12 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 16 given. So when this statement is going to be correct, that we have to solve. So here trial and error we can do. Solve it separately and then try to get the answer. So here when I try this one, what I am going to get here, see, negative 12 plus 4 divided by what is 2 minus 3? Minus 1. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. So when I'll get this as minus 1, let us check this. This is 4 divided by minus 1. We will use BODMAS. First division will happen over here. So 4 by minus 1 will be minus 4. So minus 12 and minus 4 will be minus 16. And that is what we want. So the bracket should come over here. Next. In the next one, if I put bracket over here, this question we have to solve by trial and error and BODMAS only. So what is 4 plus 5? 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So what do we have here? Minus 3 minus 2, which is nothing but minus 5, the one which we were looking for. So this is the correct bracket. Now next they gave you the fractions and ask you to write down the order. Please read it carefully. Here we have to start with the smallest first. Smallest. And their denominators are totally different. This is non-calculator paper, right? So what you do first, very first try to make their denominators same. So I can see 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24 and 24 is here. So whatever is highest power given over here, denominator, highest number at the denominator, try to convert others to that. So I can multiply this with 3, I can multiply this with 2, numerator and denominator, 8 numerator and denominator, 6 numerator and denominator. So the first number is going to be 15 by 24, second will become 22 by 24, third will become 16 by 24, and next will become 18 by 24, and the last one is 13 out of 24. So if you see them carefully, who is the smallest number over here, whose numerator is smallest, and that is nothing but the 13 out of 24. So the last one, 13 out of 24. After 13, who will come? 15. 15 out of 24. What was 15 actually? 5 by 8. After 15, 16. What is 16 actually? 2/3. 2 by 3. After 16, 18. What is 18 actually? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And what is last one? 11 by 12. And this is how we will get the answer. Next question we'll do here. A cuboid has a length of 5 cm, width of 2 cm and height of 3 cm. Draw the net diagram. Okay, then you should know a cuboid. A cuboid is what? Which has, it is actually 3D rectangle. 3D rectangle. It will be looking like this. I'm trying to draw it over here. So how many faces it will have? It will have 6 faces. 6 faces. So the side face and right hand side face, front and back, top and bottom. So these 6 faces we have to draw. Read it carefully. The net we have to draw here 1 cm square grid. That means this each line is 1 cm. So what I will do, I will draw one 5 by 2, one 2 by 3. So always remember all the sides will be 5 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 5 and 3 by 5, and this will be the this blocks we have to draw here net. So let us start. First I will draw here 5 by anywhere you can start with. So 1 2 3 4 and let's say I will take this side 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2. Please excuse me for this lines. Okay, this is 5 by 2. After this 5 by 2, after this 5 by 2, after 5 by 2, next I will take 5 by 3. So from here I will start 5 by 3, yes. just 1 second. So this is how, this is 5 by 2, 5 by 3, again 5 by 2, 5 by 3, and this is 2 by 3. So anyways, you can draw, if you want, you can draw the 3 by 2 by 3 is over here as well, or 3 by 2 over here. Anything is okay. Now in B part, we have to work out the volume of cuboid given over here. So we know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is 5, breadth is 3, and height is 2 centimeter each. So 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter multiplication will become cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So the answer will be 30 centimeter cube.